How to check your Facebook star balance. This tutorial shows you how to find your stars and everything you need to know about them on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Dashboard to open your Creator tools. Right here, tap on the Monetize tab at the top of the page. At this point, scroll through the options and tap on Stars to open the Stars section. Moving on, keep in mind that you need to meet the eligibility criteria before stars are available to you. Tap on Eligibility criteria to see what's required. Following this, there are 3 requirements. First, you need to be living in a country where Facebook Stars is supported. Second, you need to have at least 500 followers. And third, you need to maintain those 500 followers for 3 consecutive days. From here, once you've met all 3 criteria, you'll be fully eligible and stars will be unlocked for your account. Finally, once eligible, all the details about your star balance, how they were earned, and everything else related to stars can be found right there on that page. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your Facebook star balance, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell so you're always notified when we post. See you in the next one.